first reaction coming in from the hospital in Pune. In fact, Dr. Srinivas Kolod has spoken in an exclusive conversation with Times Now, saying Pooja had applied for the disability certificate in August 2022. And there is an online government portal which scrutinizes the details of the applicant, and duplication was found in that portal, and that's why her certification was rejected. In fact, this portal looks into the Aadhaar card, the phone number and address details, and it is likely that she applied somewhere else as well, and that's the reason why it was rejected, and that's the reason why it was duplicated. And she did not appear in person. She did not physically appear for it. It was only applied online. So skeletons continue to tumble out as the probe continues into the fake certificate that the IAS Pooja Khedkar allegedly had submitted. And now we have details coming in from the hospital as well. It's an exclusive conversation with Times Now, where the hospital has confirmed that there is a portal which scrutinizes the details, and it found a duplication in the case. Listen in.
23 अगस्त 2022 में इन्होंने हमारे आउंद हॉस्पिटल के इस पे रजिस्ट्रेशन किया हुआ है, और उनका डुप्लीकेट रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है। ऐसे पोर्टल पे जब डिटेल्स में स्क्रूटिनाइज होता है तो उस दिन 11 अक्टूबर 2022 में रिजेक्ट हुआ है। रीज़न एक ही है, डुप्लीकेट हुआ है रजिस्ट्रेशन, यानी प्रीवियसली अदर इंस्टीट्यूट में या अदर हॉस्पिटल्स में उन्होंने इनरोल किया है ऐसा लगता है, इसलिए डुप्लीकेट की वजह से सिस्टम जनरेटेड रिजेक्शन हुआ है। और उन्होंने यहाँ पे फिजिकल प्रेजेंस या केस पेपर निकल के या उनका फिजिकल असेसमेंट या उनके सब फंक्शनिंग असेसमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर से हुआ नहीं है, और यहाँ पे उन्होंने आए नहीं है।
सर, कौन सा ये पोर्टल है जिससे ये पता चलता है कि किसी ने पहले भी अप्लाई किया है?
हाँ, यूडीआईडी पोर्टल है, स्वावलंबन पोर्टल बोल के है। ऑनलाइन कोई भी रजिस्टर कर सकता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर मोबाइल नंबर्स, आधार कार्ड एंड एड्रेस। और जो इसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करके मोबाइल नंबर है या आधार नंबर है, ये चेंज करके आप डबल डुप्लीकेट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जैसा जैसा डिटेल में स्क्रूटिनाइज होता है, सिस्टम इटसेल्फ रिजेक्ट्स दैट फॉर्म इफ इट इज डुप्लीकेटेड।
So, Arunil, explain it to us, because the disability certificate is also now in question. On how was it that she got away with it? Was there a duplication or not?
Well, this is what the Aundh Hospital authorities are also basically pointing out in this exclusive conversation that they are having with Shushti Atkare, our colleague reporting from Pune. Now, duplication of application. This is what a technical ground that they have pointed towards. This means that when Pooja Khedkar applied in this Aundh-based college for her disability certificate via the online system only, the hospital basically found out that she had applied elsewhere as well, and that is why her application was rejected. This entire story is about what, Pratibha? We need to understand that more than 5 lakh students basically apply in the UPSC exams. Only a handful of them, a little more than 100, basically become IAS officers. And here comes a case wherein a trainee IAS officer can be seen basically moving out in her plush Audi car, which has a red beacon on it and basically Maharashtra Sarkar sticker on it. That basically raises eyebrows. And then later on, when investigation is being done by the local RTI activists as well as the other people related to the case, they basically find out that fake documents have been allegedly given by Pooja Khedkar, basically fake documents related to her medical disability as well as her wealth. And it is basically out in the open. The reason for that is her father has contested elections in the recently held Lok Sabha polls. And in the affidavit, it has been shown that their wealth is more than rupees 40 crore. Despite that, Pooja Khedkar shows that she is from the underprivileged background. And this basically clearly raises eyebrows. The story is about how just to become an IAS officer or a family, just to get what they want, they feel that they are entitled. They feel that they are the entitled lot and they can go to any length to achieve their target. They basically threaten poor farmers to get land. Here is Pooja Khedkar, who is alleged allegedly being producing fake documents to become an IAS officer. But this is a question about all those more than 5 lakh UPSC aspirants who basically do their hard work, apply for the Public Service Commission exams just to become IPS and IAS officers.
Okay, all right. Aranil and Nilesh, thank you for joining us with those details. We continue to keep a track of the story. On that